Hello everyone, welcome back to part 13 of this series, and today we are going to see perpetuity. There are two types of perpetuity. One is normal perpetuity and the other is growing perpetuity, which I'll explain in some time. But first, let's see the formula for computing the present value for normal perpetuity. A is the annual cash payments or cash receipts or cash flows. I is the rate of interest in decimal, and N refers to the NOC number of compounding periods per annum. And this is a question, example 41 on page 4.36. How? So you can read this question. How much money should he keep aside to achieve his goals? So now first we're going to solve the denominator and then the numerator. So I is 0.08, rate of interest is 8% per annum compounded monthly divided by 12 m plus, and we want 3000 per month, so 3000 divided by this. So this answer is 4,50,000. So the person needs to have 4,50,000. अगर ये person के पास 4,55,000 है, then he can get 3,000 per month at the rate of 8% per annum compounded monthly. But he needs to cover the first initial payment as well, and so we add 3,000 to this, and the answer is 4,53,000. Now let's go to growing perpetuity. What is growing perpetuity? In this case, the payments or the cash flows grow at a constant rate. This A keeps on growing. Now let us understand this better with an example. Assume that the discount or interest rate is 8% per annum compounded annually. How much would you pay to receive 20,000 per annum growing at 6% annually forever? So this 20,000 per annum is growing at 6% annually forever. So next year you will get 21,200. The next day you will get 22,472. After that you will get 23,802.32. Okay, so now let's see how to solve this. So we take the annual cash flow to 20,000, and this is the interest rate that the investment will generate, and this is the growth rate. So I minus G, so that becomes 20,000 divided by 0.02, and the answer is 10 lakhs. So it requires 10 lakhs, and this is very practical. It is useful in retirement planning to find how much corpus or how much funds are required for retirement. And I have these two questions for you guys to solve, so let me know the answer of this in the comments. And with this we end time value of money. This was the last video. I hope you guys enjoyed this series. Thank you.